Dallas County and the North Texas Poison Center recently launched the Overdose Prevention Hotline. The number is 214-590-4000, and we'll repeat it in a few minutes. Let's learn more about this hotline with Vanya Roble, a public health educator from the North Texas Poison Center. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, let's get right into this important topic. Who is the Overdose Prevention Hotline for?
It's really for anyone, but obviously it's for, those who are going through substance abuse disorder, or family members who think their family members are going through substance abuse or may need to reach out for help. And so it's really for anyone who wants to use the hotline.
And the focus really is on opioids, correct?
The focus is on opioids, and so we really want to prevent those overdoses. And so by providing these resources in Dallas County, it's something that it's really helpful for those.
And let me just make sure people understand, when do you call 911 and when do you call this hotline?
Yeah, so calling 911 obviously needs medical attention, and some of those things include if this person is having seizures, or if they're unconscious, or they have difficulty breathing, those are signs that they need immediate medical attention. So that would be best to call 911. But if you're asking a question or looking for resources, then you can call the hotline to get more information.
What kind of impact do you hope this will make in the community?
I really do hope that it opens a conversation about, substance abuse disorder and getting help. I know that there's a stigma around it, but there really shouldn't be if we have all these resources available.
Let's expand the discussion, because I know opioids aren't the only call you receive, and some of these things change by the season. Talk about what trends you see throughout the year at the North Texas Poison Center.
Yeah, so over the last, this past summer, we had so many calls about copperheads.
Copperheads?
Yes, copperhead snakes. It's a venomous snake, very common in Texas, and so around the DFW Metroplex, lots of people were running into copperhead snakes, and so we had an increase in calls about that. And then more moving towards the holiday season, then, carbon monoxide poisoning, we get a little increase in calls about that. And then also just holiday poisonings, when we gather with family members and stuff, there is a chance that something can happen. And so medication safety, holiday plants as well, we get calls about those. Lots of plants can be poisonous to humans. And so it's used around the holiday times. So we get calls about that as well.
Such an important resource at Parkland Health in Dallas, and I'm so glad you could come in and talk to us about it today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Of course. And once again, the number for the Overdose Prevention Hotline is 214-590-4000, and the North Texas Poison Center can be reached at 1-800-222-1222.